Guys, please subscribe and help Ama Fans Wetu TV get to 80,000 subscribers. Welcome to Ama Fans Wetu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by friend Mapareka Mabanu Pumagupi. Legend Bachele, Mfuna Baka.
Bafethu, what a beautiful game of football.
Legend, Ikama legend.
Oh, Mangoba. Mangoba, Ngwenya.
Yes.
Shosho. Thank you. I enjoyed the game.
Yes.
I enjoyed the game, and it was a tight game. I'm happy that Chiefs is coming to the party, man.
Yes.
We need a strong Kaizer Chiefs in the country, you know. We need a strong Kaizer Chiefs. Look at the people. Look at the stadium today.
Full.
Packed, full house, you know.
Yes.
One game. But they want Madrid. But anyway, no, it was a good game. It was a good game, you know. Bakhala ngo referee. Bakhala ngo referee. Mina ngithi uPitso uke washo something. Pitso wathi I can benefit. Maku Kaizer Chiefs I can benefit.
Yes.
Washo Pitso.
Yes.
Washo Pitso.
Yes.
Earlier on bebadlalisa iRodman's Cup. Ngikhala kakhulu ngibona uFire shine.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm happy with Kaizer Chiefs. The way they performed, the way they played, I'm happy.
Yeah.
We need a competitive Kaizer Chiefs. We need a strong Kaizer Chiefs.
Exactly.
And they did well today.
Yeah.
That's all.
Man of the match.
Williams. World number one.
Yes.
World number one.
Definitely.
Williams, definitely. For me, Williams is the one who stopped Kaizer Chiefs today.
Tactically, Baba Bulele Gupi. Bola di bola. Hot money. When I say a former player, the way we won a corner.
No, I thought Kaizer Chiefs did well with the pace up front. They could have killed us, but Sundowns, you know, the clinicalness, Abo Ribeiro, Mabatoli chance, Bashayinet. So that was the only difference. Besides that, Kaizer Chiefs had the chances to win the game, but they didn't take them. And Sundowns are clinical in front of goals, and they're the champions. They're the champions. Thank you, boy.